welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay. Today is all about Patrick Starrr collaboration with MAC. And if you are curious to see or are thinking about purchasing the products but don't really know how they look and you just want to keep your research mode on, then keep on watching. And if you don't like me or you don't like my content, just exit out. You save time and you're happy. I really don't go and just splurge on every single set of makeup that comes out, but this one really got my attention, so I had to purchase it. Plus I felt that I was getting a good deal. This comes with 4 things: 2 lip glosses, bronzer, and a set of eyeshadow. This costs $49.50. That's what drew me in, was the price point and the amount of things I was getting. The lip glosses. This. Nice. Here's a bronzer. Alright, so I usually never start with my face. I start off with the eyeshadow. Since I wanted to showcase in particular the line, I went for doing my face before my eyes. So let's see how that goes, because I don't have experience doing that. Let me just give you my 2 cents about the colors in this beautiful palette. These 2, they are very common when it comes to different eyeshadows. I want to do a halo eye. I haven't done a halo eye in a minute, so that's what we're gonna do. Now right off the bat, I feel like this color, the transition color, is going to be a little light for me, but let's see how it goes and picks up. So I'm using my blending brush, and this one's a Morphe, obviously, M573. So this color is really pretty. Going forward to my second color, and that would be I'm going to use this flat brush. This one is R39. We're going to go in with this deeper color. Ooh, pretty pigmented. And I'm going to focus this. I'm scared to fall out. Oh, let me just put a layer. Hold a minute. I'm scared of fallout. Let's go in again. Focusing it. Nice. Whatever I have left, I'm just going to unite them together. I'm gonna grab this other brush just to blend out the hard edges. This is one of my favorite ones, M411. Just gonna go in and blend. My cat sounds like a newborn baby. I really want to be more consistent with my videos. It just gets a little hard, but I know that there's no excuses when you like doing something, and I really like showcasing to you guys, whoever is watching. I really appreciate it. Wow. These lashes are in the style Chic. See, pop them in there. I semi-contoured So right now it's time for the bronzer, and for my bronzer I'm going to use this brush. It's the MAC 135 with this into, and I'm going to start bronzing up. Let's see how it goes. Okay, come on. Right. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to use this same bronzer as my blush. I'm definitely going to use this quite often. Now let's go on with the lips. I'm going to line up my lips with this NYX pencil in the shade, I don't know, light brown. I'm gonna go in with Fashion Punch. We're gonna go in with, I had to get it. This one was a little bit more pricey. This was actually $40 if I'm not wrong. So yeah. So it's this highlighter, and it is hot and heavy. Look at that. I'm not a highlighter person. I am not. I think rarely wear highlighters just because my face gets highlighted on its own. Yeah, I have that power. But for this case, we're gonna go and try it. Oh, it's so pretty. Ah, not bad. I actually like it. It's not those highlighters that have glitter everywhere. You rock it, girl. It's just not my personal preference. But this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh yes, it's subtle. Like you still see it, but it's subtle. My chola vibes. Chulai or chunolai. Happy. I'm so happy with this. Just because it's so subtle and so pretty. Ooh, look at that. And we are done. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed the try on video and everything I had to say, my humble opinion about these products. Let me just tell you that I'm loving this look. I'm loving how it complements my skin, especially this. No, I'm just kidding. It's because I like them all, but I have to say I was very happy with the bronzer. I expected to be a way too orange, but it is actually very nice. I like what I'm looking at in the camera, in my phone, and in the mirror. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase, and it was worth every penny. And I know I could really do other looks using the same things, especially the palette, the eyeshadow palette. There's many things that you could do with that palette, and that's what I like about it. With that being said, have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever it may be. This was Adhay. Bye. Adios. Hasta luego. And we have a helicopter. Oh yeah, it's just parking in front, in the back of my yard. I have a couple helicopters. You know, that's just the life I live. Yeah, right. Really hot, so I'm gonna be sweating like a pig. especially with all these lights in a small room, tiny room. Best believe it gets really hot and musty, and this feels good, and I sweat a lot. Okay, anyway, time's up.